Hello hungry folks, this isn't the first quick bread recipe on this channel, but this one really breaks all the records. If you take your time, you'll have warm bread on the table in less than 40 minutes, and all with just 4 ingredients. We need flour, I've tried it with wheat and spelt, both work well, milk, baking powder, and a bit of salt. That's it, but there are options. If you want it a bit sweeter from the start, you can add cranberries or goji berries, as well as pumpkin seeds or almonds or similar ingredients of your choice to the dough. For a savory version, for example, you can add ham cubes or grated cheese, but these are all optional additions. And we need a cup as a measure. I chose a 300 ml cup, so it won't be a mini bread. Don't worry, the exact amounts are also in the info box. In countries where they use cups, it's easier because the volume is exactly defined as 240 ml. So we fill 1 cup with flour, pour it into the mixing bowl. Fill a second cup with flour and do the same. Then we add the baking powder and also 1 teaspoon of salt. And then we mix everything briefly, just a quick whisk. Then fill the cup with milk and pour it in. And then use the dough hooks of the mixer to blend everything in a circular motion into a smooth dough. This goes quickly too and should be done in about 3 to 4 minutes. And with that, the dough is ready. Now we need a loaf pan. It doesn't have to be silicone like mine. If you use a metal one, grease it, or better yet, line it with parchment paper. And then the dough goes in. It's a bit sticky, but that's okay. Once the dough is in, smooth the top a bit. Maybe tap the pan on the counter a bit, and then pop it in the oven. Bake for 30 minutes at 200 degrees, or better yet, 180 degrees with air. Let the freshly baked bread cool in the pan for a bit, and voila, in less than 40 minutes, this bread is done. It's relatively light, more like the texture of toast. If you want it darker, use whole wheat flour, and in this version, you can spread it with something sweet or top it with something savory. It's a cool, quick version, I think, and it tastes really good. I hope you have fun baking and enjoy your meal.